everyone, welcome to today's vlog. I am Elizabeth and welcome back to our channel, Homesteading with the Yangas in Kenya. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today, we've been very busy around. I am drying jars for putting honey. We have decided to repurpose some of the jars we've got honey and oil in them before. So that is what I'm doing as the children and their father are outside mending the fence for the goats.
Oh, you're putting soil on my head, and I don't like it. Enough, guys. It will be impossible to do it. Just Egyptian.
Okay, maybe I can take a little break.
Yeah.
But before I do the break, I still have to do lots of more work.
You stepped on me, put soil on my head.
I'm so sorry. I'm so big. Why can't you forgive me? I can fool. Why do you forgive me?
Here is our current harvest. I like to call it liquid gold. I think it's not time to tip over the drum. I need to check so that it doesn't. So this is the honey that we've gotten from this harvest, and you can see the combs that are here are very little because we used the extractor. Got one bee here that is dead and I'm very disappointed. I love the bees. You can see this is very little, and we've gotten this sufuria. The pot is like 6 liter pan. So plus this one that I had brought for reinforcement, this is almost a liter. So basically around 7 liters of honey is what we've gotten this time. Last month we harvested again around 6 liters. So I believe this will be enough for the entire month. Okay, now time to transfer to the containers here. I'm putting this here because it continually leaks. Okay, so the work starts here. Transferring this into all these containers that I've been cleaning and drying. I had to call for reinforcement for someone to come and hold the sieve for the second part of the sieving. This other one was rough sieving to get the big combs out. So this one at least is gonna get this fine particle, the fine combs on top. But I can't hold it. I had to ask Karereng to come and help me as I lift the heavy sufuria. Karereng, please hold nicely. Oh dear, oh dear. Yeah. Lift up, Karereng. Inua juu, inua juu. Shake it, Ararang. Shake it a little. On the side, Ararang, please. On the side, on the side. Good, good. Okay, now take that spoon and do as I showed you. Like this, gently. With one, yeah, right. Yeah, gently. Hold like this. Hold like this.
Okay,
Like this.
can I?
Yeah, don't mash it up.
Okay, okay.
Hold like this. You see, just like that. Faster, faster. So that we go and do other work. Haraka. Hi. Shikilia. Koroga.
Can I do it?
This one is taking so much time because the mesh are so tight together. It is very, very clear. The honey is very clear and very clean. Though you pay with a lot of time here. The quality of the honey is good. It means it is mature. Very dark. Very, very dark. Bordering actually, I can say very deep brown to black to deep mahogany. It means the comb was removed when it was really, really mature. And I also think maybe the type of flowers found around. In some places I see very light type of honey. So it depends with what the bees find in the natural surrounding. This boy has woken up and time to finish the work. Yeah, and he loves, this is his favorite position. When mom is working, he gets to sightsee. Okay. Now it's time to put this in the jar. I'll start with this one so that I'm done with it. Okay. The covers are here. Look at the consistency. Gorgeous, beautiful. Very beautiful. Excuse the mess. Yeah, I have to go on with all these jars. Number one is done. Here it is. Okay, you finished the honey. Do you want some more?
Yeah.
Come, I give you.
Mom.
Yeah, but you're not having so much. I don't want you to have any problem. Just a little, yeah? Okay. Achari? Achari, do you want some honey?
Yeah.
I do you want some more?
Yeah, but they were all. Zee said it's hard.
You can come and take yours.
Okay.
Yeah. Here, Zuri, this is enough. No coming for more honey. That is dessert. Bring something.
I want to some cat, some number no matter.
Okay, bring. I want to go.
No matter. You want to go? You want to go?
I want to go.
I don't want sweetness can be a bit yucky.
Yeah. Everything in moderation. The Bible says. Yeah, here, just. How is it? And me?
This is like some kind
Oh my goodness. It's mango-ish because we have a lot of mango. So a lot of mango in flavor. A lot of mango in flavor. Very nice. I have to continue sieving all this and filling this container. So far, this is what I've done. I got to go with all this. So, and this guy over here, I don't think if he'll let me finish this work anytime soon. And everyone is busy. Yes?
Mom.
Yes. Do you want? Now you're full, eh? Good. Now you're sorted. Now you want water. Achari, please can you come and give your sister water? Please.
Mom, this honey is so yummy.
This honey is so yummy. Oh, I'm happy. Thank God. So this is what I've discovered works faster. It's okay, baby. It's okay. Mom is almost done with this part of bottling. Oh, my baby. Oh, don't fall. Okay, I can put one more and then my son. Let's go. Okay, I'll continue later. Okay, now I've gone. I've sorted the baby. I came back. I finished packaging the honey. This is what we have gotten this month. So we are very grateful. It is around 7 and something liters. And this will last us the entire month and even and some few weeks into the next month before the next harvest. Thank you for joining us.